Welcome to our exploration of Rudolf Steiner's theory of worldviews, as described in his Human and Cosmic Thought lectures. There are 12 worldviews that provide the grounds of knowledge, and 7 outlook dispositions that influence the way knowledge is pursued. In this video, we will look at how the 7 disposition orientations shape our understanding of knowledge and reality. But what do we mean by knowledge? And what is reality? How does our outlook disposition relate to our everyday lives? Let's dive into Steiner's 7 world outlook dispositions and see how each of them offers a unique way to experience the world, both in how we know the world and what we believe it to be. To understand these different approaches, we need to explore the relationship between knowledge and reality, which are examined through 2 key philosophical concepts: epistemology and ontology. In philosophy, epistemology refers to how we acquire knowledge, how we come to know things. Ontology, on the other hand, is the study of being, what reality is made of, or the nature of existence itself. Each world outlook determines what can be known and what we believe exists. So, in each of these 7 approaches to pursuing knowledge, we'll be looking at 2 questions. How do we know? And what is real? Evolve. First, we have occultism. Occultism suggests that what we see around us is an illusion. Steiner calls this illusion Maya. In occultism, our ordinary perception and ordinary cognition are found to be inadequate. To truly know the world, we must find another way. True knowledge is hidden from view. The occultist seeks the writings and teachings of someone who possesses deeper knowledge, or will use methods like astrology or tarot in an attempt to reveal hidden knowledge. Ontologically, reality is seen as dual. What we perceive is merely an illusion, merely a surface appearance. The true, hidden essence of reality lies behind the visible world. Another way used by the occultist to overcome the limits of ordinary cognition is found by deepening the forces of cognition through contemplation and meditation. Next is Transcendentalism. Here, knowledge is transcendent. It's a feeling there's something more to the world than what we see. We understand that things have an essence, a deeper truth, but we can never fully reach it. In this view, reality is transcendent. The essence of things is felt to be out there, in the external world, but it stays hidden from our direct understanding. We feel it, but we can't quite grasp it. Mysticism takes a different approach. For the mystic, knowledge isn't found outside, it's found within. By turning inward, we can access the divine light in our soul. The truth of the universe is not in what we see, but in what we experience inside ourselves. Here, reality is internal. The true nature of things lies within us, not in the external world. Mystics believe that only by becoming quiet and looking deeply into our soul can we discover the ultimate truth. Now, let's talk about empiricism. Empiricism is all about sensory experience. Knowledge comes directly from what we see, hear, and touch. What's in front of us is all we need to know. For the empiricist, reality is what we observe in the world. There's no need to look for hidden meanings or deeper truths. What we perceive is what exists. In voluntarism, knowledge is rooted in the understanding of will. Everything we see in the world, from the forces of nature to human actions, are expressions of a deeper driving will. Ontologically, reality is an expression of will. The world is active and dynamic, with willpower driving every aspect of existence. To understand reality, we must understand the will behind it. Logicism is next. Logicism views knowledge as something that can be organized and understood through logical structures. It's about connecting ideas into a coherent system, like a grand intellectual puzzle. In this view, reality is also structured and logical. The world follows an order, and everything is interconnected through concepts that can be systematically understood. Finally, we have Gnosis. In Gnosis, knowledge comes from an intuitive, direct experience of reality. Here, the truth of the world is grasped not through abstract reasoning, but through a deep, inner knowing of the true nature of the world. as if we can touch the essence of things with our full being. For the Gnostic, reality is intimately knowable. This true knowledge is not something abstract or distant. It's something the Gnostic experiences deeply and personally, struggling up to a vision of true knowledge and reality. Each of these 7 ways of knowing the world: Occultism, Transcendentalism, Mysticism, Empiricism, Voluntarism, Logicism, and Gnosis offers a unique way of understanding the relationship between knowledge and reality. Some, like empiricists, rely on direct observation alone. Others, like mystics and Gnostics, look for deeper truths beyond what we initially perceive. Together, these moods provide a rich tapestry of perspective, offering different ways to know the world and what we believe it to be. So, which mood resonates most with you? Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 7 ways of pursuing knowledge and knowing reality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts.